Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a KFC account online. Open the website at kfc.com. Then on their website, you will see a profile icon. Click on the profile icon. On this page, you will see an option for Join Now. To sign up, click on Join Now. Now, enter all the required information such as your first name, last name, email address, and the password you wish to use. On the last field, re-enter your password to confirm. Once entered, click on the tick box to confirm that you agree with KFC's privacy policy and terms of use. You could also click on the second tick box if you wish to receive email updates and promotions. After entering all the required information, click on the Create Account button. And now your account is successfully created. You can now start ordering online. That's how you create a KFC account online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.